owner of Tia Maria Wigs in Edinboro, and so many people say they do not know how to find me. So I am outside. I'm going to show you exactly how to find me so that you can come and get your perfect hair. So this is 6N. Here's a little creek, and you can see the sign for the Lakeside Commons. Sometimes I call it the Edinboro Commons. A lot of people call it the Edinboro Mall. You can see Gracie J's is on the sign. I'm actually going on the sign in a few days, but this is the mall right here. You go right in that center, right where my finger is. There's a couple of doors, and we're gonna take a walk and I'll show you. But here's your landmarks. You have Anover Bank, and that's right when you pull in. You see you see Taco Bell, one of my favorites. You got Perkins right there, Marquette Bank, and way at the light, which is not that far, is Crossroads. And when you go this direction, then up here is 79 and Walmart. I almost said Waldermere. Oh, I wish. So yeah, this is the Edinboro Commons. This is where my store is. So let's go ahead and take a walk. Okay, so you see where you come in. We are walking together. I'm gonna show you all of the things that I love and take you right to my store so you know exactly how to find it. This is a gorgeous, beautiful day today. It is sunny out and I am loving it. So right over here, I talk about Bean and Bear, the place that I get coffee. That's right here. It's part of the Edinboro Commons, but it's like on the side. It's not in the main mall. I love it. They are a local owned business, small business. So if you're coming to see me, plan to go to see them too. And you're also gonna see Gracie J's, where I got this cute jumpsuit. Look at this. Oh my gosh. But we're gonna see that in a minute. So you can see I'm walking in, you can be driving in. You have the Dollar General right here. You have Compadres, great food if you've never been there. And we're gonna walk right on in between these doors. I wanted to do this because, Google and Maps and all that, they do whatever they do. And sometimes it'll bring you here, sometimes it won't. But I thought, why don't I just put a little video up and you could see it for yourself. Right on the back side of this mall is the lake and the Lakeside Beach Bar. It is open for the season. So, if you haven't been there, also locally owned, you should go ahead and go there too. All right, so here we are. Here we are. We're gonna go on in. I'm actually straight back almost to the lake. So here we have 220 West Plum Street. Gonna go ahead and open these doors and we are gonna take a walk right on in and we're gonna go to my store. Okay, like I said, when you're coming in to visit my store, you're just gonna go straight back. We're just going straight back. You can see that right there. Look, just keep going straight and you will be at my store. We're gonna be passing Erin's Hair Garage. She's really awesome. If you need someone to cut, color, do whatever, you want to go and see her. So here's Gracie J's sign, because Gracie J's is actually right next to mine. I actually did this sign for them. So this is Gracie J's sign, and then here's my little sign. And this is Erin's Hair Garage. Isn't this so cute? I love the whole motif for Erin's Hair Garage. And again, we're gonna come straight on through. You're gonna already start seeing it. These trees right here, that is what's in front of my store. And you'll pass Gracie J's and then you will get to Tia Maria Wigs Boutique. So here's Gracie J's. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, there's Erin. Hopefully she'll wave. She waved. And then now we are at Tia Maria Wigs. So we are right together. And look, there's the lake right there. So here you go. Come on in. And this is where you would go, Tia Maria Wigs. Here's my little sign with my hours and all the types of things. So there you know exactly how to get here, you know where I'm at, and then I'm actually I'm going straight back to the lake so that you can see there's actually a parking lot back here. And you could park back here if you wanted. We're just gonna go outside. Plus it's really nice, and so I just want to come out here, and I also want to show you the Lakeside Beach Bar. So yeah, so this is like the parking lot here. So you'd have to come like around the building this way, but look at Lakeside Beach Bar. Oh my gosh, right on the lake. You can go eat outside. It's just awesome. So I cannot wait to see you. I'm at 220 West Plum Street. I'm Suite 450. Now you know exactly how to get here, how to get in, where to park, the things to do, and I hope that I will see you soon. You can call for an appointment, 814-853-5209. You can call or text that number, and I cannot wait to see you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'd really love you to join our community. So we have a private Facebook group called the Wig Hangout at Tia Maria Wigs, and we also have a second channel. This one here is Tia Maria Wig Coach, which is all stuff from me, but our second channel is called the Wig Lounge at Tia Maria Wigs. That's gonna have me, my ambassadors, some behind the scenes, a lot of stuff from inside our physical boutique. So go ahead over there and check it out. That's also where our live sales are. We also have a wonderful blog post with so much information. It's all free resources. You can find that at tmwigs.com. And I just want to thank you for all of your support and for being a great community, being great to each other, and I'll see you next time.